The crisis seems to be continuing for the troubled national carrier Air India. Sources claim the airline will not be able to pay its employees tomorrow as was scheduled. Employees are now supposed to go on a strike from 2 p.m. to 4 p.m. tomorrow. Kashif Khusro joins us on the phone line with more details. We are going to go across to Kashif in just a bit, but the latest details coming in that troubles for Air India continue, and for the man on your screen, Civil Aviation Minister Praful Patel. Sources claim that the airline will not be able to pay its employees tomorrow as had been scheduled. Employees are now supposed to go for a strike. On the phone line, Kashif Khusro with us. Kashif, what are the details do you have?
Maruf, as of now, what we're getting to know is that the unions of Air India have said that they would strike work between 2 to 4 p.m. tomorrow in the afternoon. That is protesting against the non-payment of wages as promised by the Air India. Air India had promised that the wages for lower grade and other employees would be paid on 3rd July, but today the employees said that they haven't got any instructions about the payment tomorrow. So clearly they are going to strike work from 2 to 4 p.m. And also during the meetings between the unions and the management, it was discussed that there would be turnaround committees formed with the unions on board. The unions with immediate effect have withdrawn themselves from the turnaround committees and said they would not be part of any turnaround committee with the management unless their wage issues have been solved with the management. So clearly the crisis within Air India has now worsened, with the unions taking a tough stand and withdrawing from this talks with the management. Maruf?